Hi students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this class I am going to explain boundary points or frontier points, and I'll discuss some examples to calculate interior, exterior and boundary points of the set. Okay, boundary points or frontier points. Let X tau be a topological space and A is any subset of X. Then the boundary point or frontier point of a set in the given topological space X tau is the set of all those points which do not belong to interior or an exterior of A. Okay. X tau is a topological space. A is a subset of X. The boundary point or frontier point of a set in this topology is set of all those points which do not belong to an interior or an exterior of A. It is denoted by boundary point or frontier of A, boundary of A, and it's defined as closure of A intersection, closure of A complement. Next, dense set. Dense set nothing but let X tau be a topological space and A is a subset of X. If A bar equals X, then A is said to be dense in X. Otherwise, it is not a dense set. Example, let X equals set of A, B, C, D and tau equals X pi singleton set A, set of A, B, set of A, C, D, set of A, B, C, D, set of A, B, E. Okay, and A equals set of C, D, E. Find the frontier and exterior of A. Okay, to find the interior and exterior of A, first calculate interior of A. Interior of A nothing but union of all tau open subsets. These are the tau open subsets. All tau open subsets of X contained in A. A nothing but C, D, E. Here, these all are tau open subsets of X. Here, which subset contained in C, D, E? X contained in C, D, E? No. In X, we have two more elements A and B. So, pi is a subset of C, D, yes, pi. Singleton set A? No. A is not there. AB? No. ACD? No. ABCD? No. ABE? No. Only pi is there. Union of pi is pi. Therefore, A interior equals pi. Next, calculate exterior of A. By the definition of exterior of A, we have exterior of A is nothing but union of all tau open subsets of X contained in X minus A, complement of A. X is A, B, C, D, A is C, D, then X minus A is A, B. C, D is there, so don't write. E doesn't come in X minus E. X minus A nothing but the elements which are in X but not in A. A is in X, A is not in C, A, so write A. B is in X, B is not in A. C is in X, C is in A, so don't write. D is in X, D is in also A, so don't write. X minus A equals AB. Here, set of all tau open subsets of X contained in X minus A, AB. Here, the tau open subsets of AB, X, no, pi, S. Pi is a subset of AB. A is a subset of AB, AB is again a subset of AB. So, the sets are pi, singleton set A, AB. Union of these three sets is set of A, comma B. Okay. Next, let X equals set of A, B, C and tau equals set of X pi A, B, AB. Find interior and exterior and boundary points of the following subsets of A. First question, A equals AC. Second question, B equals BC. Okay, first one, X equals ABC, tau equals X pi singleton set A, singleton set B, set of A, comma B. First take A. First find the interior of A. By the definition of interior of A is union of all tau open subsets of X contained in A. A nothing but AC. Here, the open subsets of X contained in AC is pi. A is a subset of AC, so right. B is not a subset of AC. AB is not a subset of AC. Only elements are pi and only tau open subsets are pi and singleton set A. The union of these two is singleton set A. Okay, next calculate exterior of A. Exterior of A nothing but union of all tau open subsets of X contained in X minus A. X is ABC, X is ABC, X equals A, B, C, and A equals AC. A equals AC. A equals AC. X minus A nothing but B. Okay. Here the tau open subsets which contain B are pi is open subset of B. A is not a subset of B. B is a subset of B. Their union is B. Next we have to calculate boundary point or frontier of A. Okay. Boundary of A equals the set of all those elements of A which is neither belongs to A interior nor belongs to A interior. Here the elements of A are A, C. Okay. Which is neither belongs to A interior. A interior is A. Which does not belongs to A interior nothing but this is cancel. And nor to exterior of A. What is exterior? Exterior of A is B. B not there. So remaining element is C. This is boundary of A. Second example, B is set of BC, tau equals X pi A B AB. Here we have to calculate interior of B. Interior of B equals union of all tau open subsets of X containing B. BC. The open subsets of BC are pi. A is not open subset of BC. B is the open subset of B. AB is not open subset of BC. Their union is B. Next, exterior of B is union of all tau open subsets of X contained in X minus B. X is ABC, A, B, C. B is set B is BC. X minus B is A. Okay. Here the open subsets of X contained in X minus B, that is contained in A, are X pi and A. Their union is A. Next we have to calculate the boundary of B, that is the set of all those elements of A. The set of all those elements of B. Sorry, this is B. The set of all those elements of B which neither belongs to B interior nor to exterior of B. Here set B is BC. It does not belongs to interior nothing but this B cancel. Exterior of B is A. It is not there, so remaining element is C. Therefore singleton set C is the boundary of B.